This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever inside the vehicle. Pull the bonnet safety latch in the direction of the arrow, then raise the bonnet upwards. Remove the air cleaner cover, then the air duct. Prise open the retaining clips and lift the upper cover upwards from the air cleaner body. Only lift the cover enough to gain the needed access to remove the filter element. If necessary, temporarily remove the carbon canister solenoid valve from the cover, or disconnect any interfering hoses and position them aside. Remove the air filter element, noting which way round it is fitted. Wipe clean or vacuum out debris from the main body. Then fit the new air filter, making sure it's the correct way round. Refit the upper cover evenly and secure with the retaining clips. If removed, refit the carbon canister solenoid valve to the cover and connect any hoses that were disconnected for removal. Secure the necessary hose clamps on the hoses. Refit the air duct. Then secure the air filter cover.